So, ready na ba ang lahat? Let's start and let's
Yes,
get down
ma'am.
to business. If you have any questions, erase nyo lang yung hand nyo. Please use, okay? If you have any questions, please use the reaction button. All right? And if you are not being asked, we kindly mute yourselves para smooth yung ating class. Okay? And if you have any questions, please raise your hand. Use the button there, react button for raising hand, and I will um, call you out so we can discuss your concerns. Okay? And also, kapag dalawa ang gadget na gamit nyo, please mute the other one. Right? Thank you. Okay. So, let's start para hindi tayo sayang ng oras. Okay, thank you so much for your time and thank you for your interest in coming in. Miss Annalisa or Mr. Amir and Miss Rachel, kindly do the admitting of Jedaline also, admitting of the people who are coming in para makafocus lang ako, right? Thank you so much. Okay, so your class schedule is 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sunday, wait time, right? Kasi we have students from UAE. Okay. So, and other country, I think sa Saudi rin meron. Okay, so please take note, this course is 4 months duration. And it's very important that when you really want to go into this career, you have to be very dedicated. Okay? Dapat dedikado, sigurado, at interesado. Okay? Hindi yung, okay, mag-enroll lang ako kasi pinilit ako ni friend or try ko lang. Okay? So don't waste your time and your money. Okay? And your effort. Kasi dito you'll be also certified and we cannot certify you if you are not going to pass all the requirements that we put into the curriculum. Okay? So this is an official training and it's a formal training. So you'll be given a certification and a report of your performance as well as you'll be giving yourself for OJT 12.5 hours kung binasa ninyo yung ating handbook. I'm hoping that you guys have downloaded it at least and read over. And I'm expecting you to ask questions para ma-clarify if you have any questions about it. Okay. So ito yung aking inayos na ating schedule. Hopefully we can follow the schedule as it is. But of course, changes will be as needed. We will do it. All right. So yung first chapter natin, I'm expecting it to be finished by 28th of December. Tapos yung second chapter natin, which is second quarter of it, okay, I mean, second, 2/3 of it should be by January 25. Tapos na tayo. And for February 1 to 22, 2026 na, matatapos na tayo noong last portion. And yung OJT ninyo should start at March 1 onwards for 12.5 hours. We can arrange things for you, so don't worry. Okay? So we'll talk about that later. Let's just do what's on in front of us right now. And we'll cross the bridge when we reach there. Okay, so reminders muna tayo guys kasi i-record natin to and we don't want you guys to be in trouble. Yeah? And we want everything to be professional. So let's get reminded with the netiquette. Ano ba ang netiquette? Okay? Netiquette are things that we are supposed to do. Ethical manners like dress properly. Okay? Dapat walang mga less dyan, ha? Mga sleeveless, backless, so frontless, mga ganyan, ha? Walang less dyan, please, because we want to project ourselves to be a VA who's a professional VA. Okay? So please dress properly whenever we're having class. Okay, kahit naka-sleeper lang kayo, but tapos yung pang-upper nyo naman medyo presentable, okay? And professional yung dating. Because you're going to be judged by the way you look, by the way you talk, okay? And also by the way you walk. So we have to make a good projection. All right, be present and switch the camera on. Miss Eileen, naka-off ang camera mo. Judy, I want your cameras to be on. Flor, Legend, May, Jumo, Michelle, Arlene, paki-on lang yung camera so I know that you are there and you are present. Yeah? Okay. Please switch on your camera and log into your attendance. Okay? Kasi yung certificate ninyo hindi yan magpiprint pag incomplete ang attendance ninyo according to the syllabus dahil nakakonect yan siya sa inyong attendance. Okay. And then, in your Zoom app, kindly type your name and enrollment number. So, i-rename ninyo yung sarili niyo, hindi yung iPad, HP, yan yung nakikita ko dito, ha? So, please, rename yourselves in your Zoom app. I don't want to see anything like Zoom user, paki-rename ang inyong selves, okay? Rename yourselves as your name and enrollment numbers. For example, ang enrollment number niyo is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you would say, Jerwin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganon. Okay? So, pag may issues kayo, I can easily track your enrollment number and we can find information that we need as easy and as fast as we can. Okay? Paki-rename lang muna before we proceed. Rename yourselves in your Zoom app. And how to do that?
Icon rename.
Yala, try to figure out. Kasi kailangan independent kayo dito and you know how to maneuver on your own. So I will not be giving all, every time, everything para masanay kayo na independent kayo in-navigate, especially if you're new to a you are new user for a new app, kailangan ano kayo, adaptable. So try to figure out how you're going to rename yourselves. Okay, we shall proceed after I see the renaming of yourselves, ha? Okay, Jerwin has done it. Good. Judy as well. Pero yung camera mo, Miss Judy, what happened? Why is it off? Please switch your camera on. I wanna see you guys. Miss Fremalin is done.
On na
Good.
po yung camera ko, ma'am.
Ay, bakit di kita nakikita? Baka internet lang. Okay. The rest, Miss Janice, please rename yourself with your enrollment number. And the rest as well, paki-name lang yung inyong selves and please open your camera. We have somebody here who's Lulu. Lulu Hypermarket ba to? Or Lulu na who? Please switch on your camera and rename yourselves if you already have been enrolled. Para alam natin that you are not a robot. Charot. Okay? We have to verify that you are human nowadays. Okay? So we want to make sure that everybody is human being here. Take note in this course and career, it's very important to know how to follow instructions. Okay. Right. I expect you guys to actively participate, so don't be shy to tell what you want to say. And please do not annotate. Sige, tanggalin muna natin ang inyong annotation. Bakit kayo nag-annotate? Eh di wow, saglit. Okay, moving on. Okay, do not hesitate to ask questions, please. Para smooth, okay? It's very important to ask questions. Okay, if you did not know or you didn't understand anything, please don't hesitate to ask questions. Okay, right. Also, I expect you guys to respect others' opinions, okay? Kung yun ang palagay niya, edi yun, okay? But we can always say our opinions as long as we respect them we say it in a proper manner, in such a way that we don't raise our voice and show disrespect, okay? We have to be ultimately very professional, okay? And of course, we have to have some positive things to say all the time, okay? Kasi it affects your mood. So ayaw natin ng nega, ha? We don't want nega-nega attitudes, okay? Or words kasi it affects our psycho, okay? Kailangan positive tayo lagi, okay? If ever I give you feedback, that is for your improvement. I'm giving you for improvement, not to attack you personally. Okay. So, attention to details is very, very important. Kagaya nga sabi ko, hindi ko kayo, if you spoon feed when it comes to instructions, you have to go and look it for yourselves. Okay? I hope that's clear. Right. So, it's very important that you dedicate a study space kapag klase nyo na, no? So, it's just once a week and it is an investment for yourselves and in your career. So, you have to focus and set a consistent schedule kung kailan kayo gagawa ng assignment, kailan nyo gagawin yung para dito sa ginagawa ninyong career development. Okay? And you have to engage actively. Okay? Utilize your available resources. Lahat yan ng mga resources ninyo are in the portal. And practice time management kasi ito lahat are the things that you are supposed to know how to do when you are a VA. Okay. Paki-raise naman ang hands if you're still there at kung naririnig niyo ako clearly, just to see if our connection is still okay.
Still okay.
Okay. There's a literal raise hand kay Miss Fremalin. All right, good. All right, very good. Okay. Si Joanna and the rest, Dolly, Leah Jean. Okay.
Raise hand.
How about the rest? Are you able to hear me? Oh, yan. Sige. Nakita ko yung nag-raise ng hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And reacting as well. Okay, good. Right. So, let me introduce myself muna para naman hindi kayo, sino ba to? Ganyan, no? So, all right. So, my name is Maria Rebecca Viray. They call me Miss Aisha here at ICSA. Okay, I finished my Bachelor's of Secondary in Education. I majored in biology way back 2004. Okay. After finishing that, I went through level 7 diploma, UK curriculum. And as a postgraduate, and I continued with my MBA. I work as the academic affairs manager here, and I'm in charge of the internal verification and assurance of our assignments that we are passing through the UK partner. Okay. Also, I have worked as a customer service agent in one of the exchange companies here in Kuwait. I have been a high school teacher back there in the Philippines. Matagal na, mga 20 years ago na. So, medyo calculate ko na lang yung age. Okay, I'm an entrepreneur as well. I do a little bit of sidelines. Okay, I'm married and a mom of 3. Yeah. Okay, so too much about myself already. Kayo naman. Okay, so tell us something about yourself. Okay, so when I say tell us something about yourself, what I want you to do is to follow this instruction. Nababasa niyo ba? Okay?
Yes po.
Yes. So, what you're going to do is to record a short video. Okay? Kasi pag mag-a-apply kayo, they will require you as well. So, you're going to record a short video. Okay? Maximum 30 seconds lang. 30 seconds. You have to introduce yourself. You have to introduce yourself, background, and why are you interested in this virtual assistant role? And you highlight one skill or strength that makes you a great fit into this job. For example, you are highly organized, you know how to communicate, you are tech savvy, okay? And you have to speak clearly and confidently. Huwag kayo mahihiya sa inyong video. And ensure that you have a good lighting. Huwag yung napaka-dark. Dapat maganda yung lighting ng inyong background, and everything should be okay. And you're going to send this video to our Slack channel. So, binigay ko rin yung link sa Slack. You remember? I hope you
Yes.
already have saved those links para next time hindi na kayo clueless and you don't need to bother your classmate. Okay?
Yes.
Right. So,
Yes.
you can take a screenshot of this so hindi nyo makalimutan. No need to do it now. You have to do it later. Okay? Mamaya. Alright? Kasi syempre, kailangan natin mag-save ng time. Okay, so I want you to record a short video again. 30 seconds lang paalala. Okay, pag sinabing 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Wag 3 minutes. Okay, so now it requires a little bit of planning what you're going to say here. At kung hindi kayo sanay mag-introduce ng self ninyo, you'll be having a hard time. So this is a practice already. Okay, so then we will give feedback to each other mamaya sa Slack after we see your videos. Okay ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Thank you, Miss
Noted po.
Casey. Okay, good, Raymond.
Yes,
Right, so
ma'am.
again, I'm giving you this course outline para at least you know how far have we been doing. Tapos na kami dito. You can have a checklist, like a checklist. So this is like a general checklist. I may be adding or removing some accordingly. Okay? Yung mga nag-raise hand, okay, there's an option to lower the
Lower.
hand para hindi ako nalilito. Bakit nagre-raise ng hand pa ito? Okay? Yeah. Right. Good. Kasi alam ko na okay tayo. We're all on the same page. Okay? Yung mga naka-off ang camera, paki-on naman para makita ko inyong mga magaganda at gwapong mukha. Okay. So, again, the schedule is here. Take note para alam natin, para isa lang yung ano natin, para alam nyo kung saan nyo isisingit ang mga schedules ninyo, mga date ninyo, etc. Okay? At yung mga plans ninyo for going for vacation, maybe, or something like that. Okay? So, these are the tentative dates lang naman to. It's not strictly going to be followed, but we'll adjust accordingly para matapos natin yung ating curriculum on time and properly, no? Para meron tayong sense of achievement pag nakita natin, nakuha natin yung assign. Okay, so let's get down to business. Ano ba ang trabaho ng VA? What does a VA do? Pakibase nga, Mr. Raymond.
Understanding the role, virtual assistants play a crucial role in supporting businesses and entrepreneurs by taking on various tasks and responsibilities remotely.
Okay, so remote ang work ng VA, no? So if you have experience of supporting a business person, a CEO, a supervisor, a manager, or an entrepreneur in the past, face-to-face, that will be a great points for you. Kasi pares lang naman yung skills, but the only thing that you have to do now is do it remotely. Right? Yun lang. So halos parehas lang din naman yung mga roles ninyo. Yung mag-assist kayo, you still have to do planning, you have to still organize, you have to lead your team if you have a team, and also control problems if they arise. So, ganun din naman ang gagawin ninyo. But this is just remotely. Okay? So, if you have experience in this kinds of work na nag-support kayo ng business person or entrepreneur, that would be a great ace. Okay? Magandang point yon and a good experience. Pag wala naman, then it's time to learn these things. Okay? Right? So, ano ba yung common responsibilities ng VA? Okay? You have to give admin support. Okay? Mga admin support ang kailangan dyan. That means, if your client wants you to, for example, arrange a meeting. So they don't want to do it themselves. You have to do the arrangement of meetings. Okay, so therefore, you should have skills on how to arrange a meeting. Okay, paano ba mag-arrange ng meetings? Dapat meron kang agenda, dapat meron kang, after the meeting, there should be minutes of the meeting. And all of these are going to be easy if you know what types of AI that you can use para mas padali yung work natin. So kung ang alam nyo lang is ChatGPT, mahirap, di ba? Although ChatGPT is very good tool, kasi lang ang dami-dami na nating AI that we have to learn. And usually when you see ads on social media, they would usually say, the young generation should always say na parang tayo ng mga nasa 40 plus na daw, mga ganyan, hindi na daw marunong mag-AI. So we have to prove them wrong, okay? I think hindi naman tayo, siguro lahat tayo dito mga, medyo may, hindi na mga baby, no? I mean, we're no longer 20s. May 20 pa ba dito? May 20 years old pa ba dito? Raise your hand.
Late 20s.
Okay, very good. Okay, we want to prove you wrong na kami, na mga medyo mas aged na, we also know things. Okay, and we can also compete in this world. All right. Sometimes they would ask you as well to manage their social media accounts. So, paano ba mag-boost ng post? Paano ba tayo maggawa ng ads for our business? So, dapat marunong din kayo gumamit ng mga applications that you can make, these beautiful ads, and that we will cover. We'll be using Canva for that. We'll be having training for that as well. And of course, syempre, very important is customer service. Okay? Kailangan marunong kayong mag-take care ng customer because it's really difficult to take care of customers, lalo na pag difficult ang customer. Okay? So, the good thing is at least that the customer is just remotely. So, hindi na kayo masasampal, hindi na kayo matatasikan ng laway. Okay? Because I have experienced that in real life, face-to-face, tatapon din ng paper on your face, mga ganyan. So that you will not experience anymore because this work would be remote, but still, of course, sometimes obscene words and inappropriate words will still be there. So you have to manage things like that also in customer service. Okay, may tanong ba? Any questions so far on this part? Reminder ha, yung video ninyo later. I wanna know you guys. So, wag niyong kalimutan. Meron kayong assignment na number 1. Okay? Ano yon?
Introduce
15
yourself.
seconds video
Ayan.
about
Video.
yourself. Send to Slack channel.
Ilang seconds?
30
30
seconds.
seconds.
Okay, wag 25 seconds ha. Pag sinabing 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Ngayon, it's your strategy on how are you going to do it. Kailangan meron kayong ways on how to do that. Okay? Kasi diyan nila i-check kung marunong kayo sumunod ng instruction. Anyone who is ready to introduce themselves right now in 30
Yeah.
seconds? All right. So, sige. Wala pa. All right. So, i-video nyo yourself nyo, mag-practice kayo later and let's see how confident you are. So, sometimes it's really easy to say, pero parang ang dali lang, mag-introduce lang ng self, no? Pero actually, the people who are going to look at your video, they're not gonna be interested with what you're gonna say. Most of the time, they're interested with how confident you are in introducing yourself. Okay? So, yun yung titignan nila doon. Kasi meron naman kayong portfolio, meron naman kayong isasubmit na CV. So, they already know who you are, basically, your details, but they just want to know how confident you are and how good you are in communication. So, that's the point of that. Okay? Right. So, what are the functions of a VA? So, sabi ko nga, you're gonna work same thing as what you do in a normal situation sa inyong office setup, but you still have to do some management functions. Ano ba yung mga yon? Okay, you're going to plan, you're going to organize, you're going to lead your team if you have, and you have to control problems, no? Magpa-problem solving talaga kayo dyan. So definitely there is customer service. And technical proficiency, dapat alam nyo gumamit ng MS Office applications, project management softwares, which I will try my best to give you all what I know and what I'm trying to still know. I'm not perfect, okay? Pero kasi the nature of IT nowadays is very, very fast. Kakaaral mo pala nung isa, may isa na naman magpa-pop out, no? So, if ever something comes out new, you have to be very adaptable to a new things para aralin agad. So, basically, pare-pares lang din naman yung features. So, only the way to do it and yung design
Very
and the interface would be different. Kakaaral mo pala Apple, aralin agad. So, basically, pares lang din naman. Okay. Right. So, sabi ko nga, you have to know the management functions like Polka, POLC, okay, para madali ninyong maalala. Okay, so magpapaquiz din ako sa inyo guys ha, so dapat hindi kayo kampante dyan. Kasi syempre, how will we know and gauge that you have learned something? We're going to give some short quizzes, okay? Because these are means to gauge how much learning has taken place, okay? So, magpa-plan kayo, check up your objectives, alright? So, pag sinabi kasi nating plan, you are not just going to write down your plans, no? Well, for example, your client wants you to plan for example, a virtual meeting, okay? Then you have to arrange everything, okay? So check and so just imagine you have to write down the things that you're gonna do so the plan will happen, okay? So, ganun yun. Ang planning is also not imagining and thinking about it, but writing down the things, that actions that you have to take para mangyari yung plano. It's like, kayo na mga friends mo, you plan to go for swimming. Okay, swimming tayo guys. O, yun ang plano. Right? Then, wala naman kayong actions taken. Wala kayong diniscuss sino magdadala ng pagkain, sino magdadala ng tubig, sino mag-arrange ng transport. Pag walang ganon, if there are no actions to take, hindi mangyayari yung swimming nyo. Hanggang drawing na lang yung swimming. Hanggat sa graduate na lang kayo, walang nangyaring swimming, no? So, ganun sa work na to. You have to plan and write down and be mindful of the actions you have to take para mangyari yung plan. Okay? So, it's something that you have to think higher, not just an employee, but somebody who really wants to make things happen. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating organizing, hahanapin nyo ano yung mga resources that are needed para mangyari yung ating plan. Okay? Ilang human resource ba ang meron? Ilang financial resources ba ang meron? Okay? Ilang physical resources ba ang meron? Those are the things you have to know. Kasama na dyan yung mga pag-login nyo sa sinasabi ng client ninyo, mag-login ka dito, mag-login ka dyan. Okay, where are my details? Dapat ganon, magtatanong. Okay? So kanina, Kita ko kayo sa group chat, yung mga tanong nyo, kinita ko na kung sino yung magaling maghanap ng detail. Ha? At nakikinita ko na rin kung sino doon ang hindi pa masyadong independent when it comes to this. So you have to train yourselves to get things on your own kasi hindi lahat yan ibibigay ng client kasi marami na masyado iniisip ang client. You might have a client who is also a doctor, no? Masyado silang busy. So kailangan nilang i-manage yung kanilang mga things beyond their work. So baka meron silang business na isa pa. So they want somebody to take care of that. So dapat alam nyo yung mga details about. Those are the resources. So you can ask questions and find pag binigay na, wag mo nang uliting tanungin kasi maiinis yung client mo, baka hindi ka na i-rehire or otherwise, baka hindi ka na babayaran, you know? So, i-ghost ka na lang and there are some stories I heard like that. Pag hindi nila nagustuhan yung work mo, wala, hindi ka babayaran. Okay? Check out your networks as well, your contacts. Sino ba yung mga contacts ng client mo? Check a look at the, ano ba yung kanyang mga contacts. Pag sinabi niyang bayaran mo yung bill for our internet, paano ko babayaran yung bill sa internet? Ask, ano ba yung ginagamit niya? So baka naman sinabi na niya sa'yo, sa email niya or sa ano. So try to look for these details kasi attention to details is very important. That's part of your organizing skills. Okay? So kailangan marunong kayo maghanap ng details. Pag hindi nyo mahanap out of everything that you have done already, so saka kayo magtatanong, okay? And the way you're gonna ask questions should be very respectful at timing, ha? Timing, wag yung sa busy time ng inyong client. Leading, tanungin nyo rin ang inyong sarili. Are there any people that are going to be under me? Yan, tatanungin nyo rin yan sa interview. Are there any people who are gonna be under my supervision? Ganyan, no? So, kasi baka sabihin sa inyo, okay, in this case, you have to tell this person, mga ganyan. You have to take notes of those. Importante yung mga yon. Okay? So, check if there are people who will be under your supervision. Kasama yan sa leading role ninyo as a VA. Okay? Ito na yung pinakamadugong part ng pagiging VA, the controlling part. Ano bang ginagawa sa controlling part? You have to use your neurons to solve some problems. Okay? Kasi mga problema dyan darating, no? And your client has hired you para isolve ninyo yung mga issues na ganyan. Okay? Like, itong si customer na ganito or nag-expire na yung bill ng ganito. Alright? So, these are the things that you are supposed to do when you're a VA to solve problems. Okay? Magsosolve din kayo ng problems and issues. So, it's part of customer service as well. And you are required to also have hard skills and soft skills. Ano ba yung hard and soft na yan? Okay, so these are qualifications that you have to have. Okay, like yung mga hard skills natin would be your proficiency in your software. Dapat marunong kayo gumamit ng mga apps. Okay, basic accounting and invoicing skills. Dapat medyo may alam din kayo ng konti sa accounting. Kasi syempre, pag pina-assign sa inyo ang budgeting, then you should at least know the basics of expense and cost, yeah? And the assets and everything. Okay, dapat medyo may alam din kayo dyan sa MS Excel. Yun ang ibig ko sabihin, ha? Lahat ba kayo marunong MS Excel? Importante yan, ha? So if you don't know, that's not a problem. You can learn it, okay? You can learn it. And also, you should know how to use social media management tools. So kung meron kayong TikTok, siguro naman marunong kayo mag-post. Lahat naman tayo marunong mag-post. Pero marunong ba kayo mag-manage ng advertisement? O halimbawa. So you have to know all those as well. So most of that, we will be giving you as an experience for your OJT if you are willing. Okay, we have lots of employees who are working remotely as well. So you can do your OJT remotely as well. Ano naman yung mga soft skills? Yan, yung mga kailangan marunong kayo magsalita. Okay, marunong kayo mag-express ng thoughts niyo in a professional manner. Ano pa? Kailangan marunong kayo mag-manage ng time. So, we will be using softwares as well that will help you manage your task. Okay? So, pag-aaralan naman natin yan. I hope that we can also use as many as we can dito sa time management applications and organizations. Okay? So, I don't know if you guys have experience using a time management app. Meron ba kayong nagamit na before for time management na app or simpleng sulat-sulat pa rin tayo? Or gumagamit na ba kayo ng ibang time management and organization apps? Anyone? Is there anybody here
So
who is
far, sulat
Wal-
talaga.
Wala pa po.
sulat? Wala pa, sulat.
Monday.com po.
Monday.com, very
Monday.com.
good. Okay, very good. Ano pa? Sulat pa lang. O, sige.
Sulat pala.
Sige, we'll try our best to learn things, okay? And I'll try my best to give and share whatever I can, okay? So, we can improve ourselves. That's why nga kayo na andito, because I know that you guys want to improve yourselves. So, that's a good start already, okay? At syempre, lahat naman siguro tayo marunong mag-problem solving abilities kasi karamihan sa atin, I think most of us, all of us are OFW, so marunong na tayo niyan, okay? But how to incorporate that in the remote world would be the challenge, okay? Yun lang ang challenge dyan. So, tanungin ko nga kayo, if now you are going to apply as VA, ready na ba kayo? If ngayon,
Not yet po.
Not yet.
mag-a-apply,
Hindi pa po.
not yet. Bakit?
Still, we
Lack of
need to learn
skills.
more
Very
abilities.
We're not yet
Okay.
fully equipped.
Okay. Very good. At least you're
Not yet
acknowledging
fully
that. That's already a good point. Yes. Okay, so, halimbawa, ito, kita nyo yan? Ito, screenshot lang ng announcement na naghahanap daw sila ng VA. Okay, sabi ko, pakita ko nga sa ating mga learners at tignan natin if they will be able to comply with the requirements. Oh, the good news is, wala namang age bracket. Diba? Walang age bracket. Very good, di ba? O, ayan, 2 to 3 years experience as executive assistant. So, kung meron na kayo experience yan before, very good. Chief of staff or nag-assist na kayo ng isang CEO, that is a very good experience already, okay? Advanced communication skills, written and spoken. So, you should know how to, express your thoughts. Advanced English. So, proficiency sa Google Workspace, Slack. So far, at least, nakastart na tayo ng Slack. Hindi na kayo zero sa Slack. Hindi na tayo mahihirapan later, I assume. And we'll use some other tools like Asana. Although I don't recommend Asana because I'm not comfortable with that. But if you are, then you can always try it. Okay? Kailangan din strong organizational skills. Yan, multitasking, project management skills. So masyadong demanding, no? Ano masasabi nyo dito sa requirements ng isang VA compared to your current abilities and skills? Anong grade ninyo, Raymond? Pag titignan mo to, halimbawa, pag na-meet mo to lahat is 10. Ano sa palagay mo ang grade mo? Pag in-assess mo yung self mo against these requirements, Raymond?
Nasa beginner, ano pa lang po ako. Beginner
Okay.
level pa lang po ako. Dito po
Pwede
kasi
mo ba
sa
bigyan?
tingin ko, nasa intermediate level na po siguro yung mga ganyang requirements na hinahanap nila. Kasi may 2 to 3 years experience na po silang nire-required.
Okay. But hindi naman nakalagay dyan 2 to 3 years experience as executive
As
assistant
executive assistant.
remotely.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
So it's
still
still a big
regarding the mga apps na required nila like Asana, I'm still not familiar po with that one.
Okay. How about dito sa baba, yung nice to have, preferred?
No, mostly experience ko po is customer service po eh. Communication siguro meron akong like 8 grade
Okay.
but still lack of knowledge pa po.
All right. Very good. Sino pa gusto? Thank you, Raymond. Sino pa gusto mag-assess ng kanilang sarili dyan? Anyone who wants to assess yourself? Gusto niyo ba tawagin ko kayo?
Siguro po ako, ma'am, I'm gonna rate myself like around 6 or 7 kasi po, I have a background in healthcare, but when it comes to finance, yun yung weakness ko. When it comes naman to communication and operational planning, so I have experience on that, considering my job before. Pero in terms of business, financial aspect, medyo doon ako weak.
Okay.
So,
So at least, yeah, that's very good. At now, I want you to try to see now your strengths and weaknesses para you can gauge yourself kung saan yung pwede nyo dapat pang i-improve more. At kung meron na kayong strength, you can enhance and polish it more, no? So that's the purpose of that. So I hope that we can look forward on developing ourselves. I will be helping you as well to set up a Shopify store on yourself. I do have a Shopify store on my own, so I can give you a good experience on that. But we'll talk about this in chapter 3, okay? Right. Okay, now, my question is, having seen yung mga requirements ng VA pag nag-a-apply, no? How to position yourself as a virtual assistant. Okay, now when you look at the requirements, pag sinasabi ninyo na this is parang pang intermediate na to, no? But then you will realize yourself, ayaw mong mag-start at mag-apply as a beginner. Right? Ayaw yung ilagay yung sarili ninyo as a beginner